Hi there, my name is Sean Fowler and I'm a 3D freelance artist with over 10 years experience and a ZBrush artist for almost 13 years. And I'm here to give you an in-depth tutorial on my newest course, ZBrush for the First Time Beginners. A course dedicated for those interested in learning ZBrush. In this course, we have an introduction section for our first-time users before proceeding right to sculpting alongside with us, a character sculpt and environment, utilizing both 2D and 3D reference provided for you. Some of the things we'll cover are as follows. How to sculpt in ZBrush for the first time with an intuitive and compounding approach as each lesson progresses. An understanding of the viewport of ZBrush with a simple breakdown of its elements. You'll gain a grasp of the most commonly used functions of ZBrush, such as Polygrouping, Zremesher, and the gizmo tools. We'll cover an introduction to how the basics of live Booleans work, and in addition to you gain a solid understanding to ZBrush's built-in hair system, Fibermesh. And finally, a breakdown on the basics of rendering and exporting an image. Now, it is my hope that by the end of this course, you should have a solid foundation and confidence in understanding ZBrush, as well as a fully fleshed out character, yours to add to your portfolio. Now, with that said, let's start sculpting.